Yeah, you're just hitting the gas to go a little bit forward, okay? All right, I'm gonna scoot up on you right now. And gas. Let's go.
Oh, hell yeah. Oh, man.
Fucking go.
That was a good shot. That was a good shot.
That was close, bro.
That guy's careful, bro.
That was, yeah, that was